Year, guys, from Chef Ricardo and the team. Is amazing, guys, to know that I can come in front of the screen and tell you Merry Christmas one more time again. Last year we did it, and this year we are doing it one more time again, guys. I want to simply say to you, coming up this Christmas, hopefully we can do something live that you guys can see exactly what's gonna go for this Christmas dinner night, guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year when it comes. Blessing, love, and prosperity, and more cooking and more food, guys. We love you, and you know what I mean, it's amazing to know that Chef Ricardo stand up one more time. Remember last year we did it, and this year we did it again. So first of all, I want to say thank God for life. You know what I mean, life is the most important thing, and you know, I want to say blessing and love and prosperity, and thank God for every one of you guys who spend the time watching my video and leaving comments. You know, sometimes people do things on my video but then don't know, like, you know what I mean, say I put up that video yesterday, a couple of days ago, about, you know what I mean, old school cooking back in Jamaica. You know what I mean, that, you know what I mean, Satchels and all these things, Frankfurter. But for me it means something, and that's why I did it. Anytime I do a video, it means something. And to be honest, guys, I remember back in the days in Jamaica, and I remember back in the days in Gilbert. So there's a lot of things out there, guys. You know what I mean, sometimes some people don't know what it stands for, what did it mean, but for me, Chef Ricardo know what it means. So guys, we love you, and we don't mean we appreciate it, you guys, always. You know what I mean, if you even dislike the video, if you like the video, we still respect you, we still love you. That's what you feel to do, and that's what you want to do. So guys, we can't say anything more than I have to say we love you, and thank you for your time. Thank you for all of that effort. Thank you for all that love what you have for the cooking show. And you know what I mean, there's so many people that love the show, guys. So many people being saying, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much. You know what I mean? So it's amazing, and I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you for everything through this new year, guys. Through this year and the new year which to come. Coming in the new year, we're gonna see some lot of different changes on the YouTube channel. So hopefully we can do best, better, even better in the future. We love you. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye.